Okay, everyone, today and right now, continue with me again. Yes, um, starting this my video today. Yes, I would like to respect to teacher and hello my classmate. Welcome today and good luck of yourself, all of you. Okay, today is I have the topic not listening. Yeah, before the topic is it is very important for student, employee, and family member. Yeah, and in society, in country, yes, we always to see people that they dislike not listening. Everyone, when we have the attention listening carefully, we we have the point that important a lot. Yes, when we have like listen carefully, listen uh, about it, listen the topic, and we can understand more and can get knowledge, new thing, and can get uh, new vocabulary, new word, and new experience. And we have the question to ask to other that what the speaker, you know. And when we have not listening, we have this one take a lot. Yes, we can miss listening carefully. We can know interesting, and we can create interrupt to other when they speaker. Yes, and it is the big bad point that many people dislike when we have the meeting discussion in school, at work, at everywhere, that we have the discussion and make a group, because when we do it, we don't have the important. They all create and also create about the misunderstanding and not good habit. Yeah, and we always to have the negative thinking. Yes, people like to say I cannot do it, I cannot do it well. Yes, when we have the make discussion, we always to have the good communication, good relationship, good before sharing idea. Yeah, and we want to many people like to listening carefully and take your time to focus speaker what they say and what they explain, and so right now we have the young man, young woman in Cambodia. Yes, they always to not listening. They all and they just like to do everything too easy and faster, not like to listening carefully, and not like take your time to listening and get a new experience, get the learning at the workplace and at school. Yes, and everyone soul changed habit, but right now everyone cannot listening. In the future everyone can uh, have the attention before to listening carefully, If everyone listen carefully every day, everyone can get a new experience a lot, and get a new thing, get a information clearly, and we have the rules before to speaking politely and polite language. Yes. And about the conclusion about the not listening, everyone always to create a body bad and interrupting other and not good communication, and we always have the big problem that many people dislike. Okay, goodbye.